Also, a big story here. We talked to this 29-year-old city billionaire.
That's who I am actually right now.
Steve Mbogo.
Yeah.
I even had a sitting with him last evening. You know, very philanthropic guy. Very, he has a great vision, and you know, sometimes when he talks business, you almost think he's creating stuff. But you know, he's. I've known him for quite some time, and I know he actually means business. You know, coming into politics, he's already started a show similar to Shark Tank. It's called The Boiling Room. Okay, and he's already funding. It's called the Boiling Room. Boiling Room. Okay. So where investors come in and they give in their business ideas, and then you say, "This is my stake, and I'd want you guys to fund me with 5 million Kenya shillings." And then they ask you, "What do we do?" And then
like
like the Shark Tank. Okay, so and they buy into the business, and then they've already funded over 13 very successful businesses going on right now. He's also talking about building water projects here. He's also into mining and stuff like that. Well, quite a good story, and he's talked about all of it here, and so that let the whole balloon now settle down, so that we avoid all this speculation.
And all
people are asking,
there must always be speculation.
At
the end of the day, what will be fun? That is you who wrote the story. That is what he told you. That is your side. That is your side of the story.
No, actually, this is David.
It's a great story.
No, that's David. I'm just saying. I did not.
And last night they were together. So really, and tonight they're still together.
And Steve Mbogo is gonna be there for the Pulse music
video. So you see,
Sawa.
And
Dan will be there as well. And then we